We're gonna make our Napa cabbage wraps. And in Napa, in Mandarin, it's called da bai tai, means in Chinese, it's good luck because it's 100 years of wealth. And that's what I need. We're gonna start chopping up our black fungus. Another name that they have for this is called wood ear. This one gives our wraps like a crunchy texture. I have our shiitake mushrooms. They're gonna give a meat texture. Our carrots is gonna give a slight sweetness. And our green onions, which has a natural flavor. And I have our garlic and ginger, and these are gonna be flavoring agents to our wraps. Go ahead and put them all together and mix them up. Discard the Napa ends. I'm going to blanch the Napa in boiling water for 40 seconds. And also keep in mind that I put a little bit of salt in there and a little oil. And it's gonna like soften them for us to actually fold into our wraps. I have ice water here, and basically I'm going to transfer our Napa to this ice water so it stops the cooking process. We have our mixture for our Napa cabbage wrap, and I'm gonna add some flavor to it. So I got a little sesame oil. I like the sesame oil because it gives it like a nutty flavor. Soy sauce, sauce. My favorite Taiwanese oyster sauce that is made with mushrooms. So we're gonna just mushroom this whole thing out. Got a little sugar. Some white pepper. This is gonna give it an extra kick. Last but not least, some salt. Looking good, smelling good. We have our Napa leaf. Going to put about, let's say, I want it kind of fat. I'm gonna put like, how about that? That looks good. And then I have some vermicelli noodles that I'm gonna put on top. We got some battle wraps. Fatties. And make sure when you put your vermicelli noodles, make sure that they're soaked in water. Make sure you wrap the rolls really tight because you don't want them falling apart. I had a little extra filling, so I was able to make 9 wraps instead of 8 wraps, and 9 is a lucky number because it means long life. Now it's time to steam our Napa cabbage wrap. Woo! Look at that. Woo! We're gonna place it here, cover it. We're gonna cook it for about 10 minutes. Our cabbage wraps have been steaming for 10 minutes. Turn off that heat. Open that. Wow. Ooh. Make sure to watch part 3 for our final Chinese New Year dish.